What does your organization really need from an S/4HANA TCO assessment? Do you know what your total cost of ownership will be when you move to S/4HANA? If not, maybe it's because you can't find an easy way to measure it. Now's the time to find out, because without it, your SAP digital transformation is at risk. SAP has issued a 2025 deadline for customers to move to their next generation digital core platform S/4HANA. After 2025, its current mainstream ERP will no longer be supported. As we all know, time flies, so understanding the cost-benefit implications of moving to S/4HANA as quickly as possible is critical. If you are not clear on the advantages of moving to S/4HANA yet, and if you're struggling to report cost projections to your business, then with the right expertise, experience and insight, a complimentary SAP S/4HANA TCO assessment could be what's missing. Here's what you should expect from an assessment. 1. Minimal investment. Your assessment should build an accurate picture without taking up valuable time. 2. Transparent and informative. It should provide full transparency into future licensing and deployment models to develop the cost benefits for internal alignment and buy-in. From there comes your framework, the business case, the technical and business process planning. 3. Tailored. To receive an accurate cost projection based on your specific utilization of SAP, your S/4HANA TCO assessment must be accurate and completely aligned to your business processes, SAP systems, and your users, because anything less than that will derail your business's digital transformation journey and negatively impact your competitive edge. As with any strategic initiative, understanding cost, direction, and implications is the first place to start. A simple and cost-effective TCO assessment will provide you with a reliable foundation upon which to develop your S/4HANA roadmap.